Hello my friends, here I have new tool and want to share it with you. These are side cutters, the pliers, which are also equipped with additional features, multifunctional pliers. The pliers are made by Connex, but Connex actually does not make any pliers. It rebrands and resells the stuff under its own brand. These are made by Witte, Germany. Witte is German tool maker, especially they make pliers, a lot of pliers, and Connex rebrands and resells their stuff made in Germany. Side cutters with the angled head. Now I will remove this package and show you every detail about this tool. So my friends, here we are. Now let's see closely for what these pliers are made for. Here you can see all the options it offers. Wire stripping, side cutting, crimping, and other stuff. Also, this is electrical resistant, so it can be used very securely when working with electrical stuff. Here is how the plier looks itself. Once again, this is made by Witte, Germany, and then rebranded by Connex. It operates very smooth. The jaws are machined very good. The quality is top here. Handles are mixed with rubber and plastic. I like it very much. Definitely operates and feels like quality tool. Made in Germany once again. Both handles have the same markings here. Here you can see the jaws itself. Once again, I want to mention that it sits in my hand very good. The jaws are machined very accurately. I have here many Knipex tools, and if we compare it to the Knipex, I can say that the level is the same here. The jaws are parallel. Here we have the markings for what each jaw element is suitable for. Wire stripping, then middle side cutting, bottom crimping, and also we have two holes on the shaft itself to cut nails and other stuff with specified sizes of the nails it can be used for cutting. I like also this silver finish. I have looked online and saw that some of the NWS tools are also look like this, but NWS pliers are satin finished, black oxide finished, and I like the silver better. Also here I have my channel lock dikes. These channel locks are very heavy duty, US made, and I like this. But in this case I wanted something different, and that's why I went and bought this Connex. Guys, one trick I want to share with you: go on eBay and check out. I'm sure you can find this Connex German made stuff for a very good price. I paid 18 euros for this plier, and I won't say that it is a real bargain. German made tool for this amount of the money is really good. Once again, the plier is machined very good, quality is top here, and I like it very much. The length of the plier is 180 millimeters, so with the angled head and this length, it will be useful in the restricted areas also. Otherwise, what can I say? I have nothing wrong with the plier, and I'm very happy that finally I have got this type of tool here for a very good price. Let's look closer on the head itself. Once again, everything is top here. If we compare it to the Knipex pliers, guys, I thought that Knipex was the best German plier company, but after looking and holding this Witte Connex one, I can say that also the Connex offers very good quality here. If you compare the handles, I like the Connex handle much more compared to the Knipex Comfort grip, but in this type they are different because Connex offers electrical resistant option, which is not suitable for Knipex Comfort handle. So once again, I recommend this plier to anyone who is looking for such type of tool. These are very good looking, well made, and definitely good pliers which can be found for a very cheap price. If you like the video, please thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye and many thanks from me.